Hello everyone, I'm back again. Today I'm making flames from the fire. So I have got this that's just a wooden plank. It has got deep in the middle. It has got the border on the side and a deep in the middle. So I'm going to fill that one with the paint and try to make the flame. I'm using very different method, and I'm trying it first time, but I tried on canvas, small canvas, and it did work out. But first time I'm trying on this wooden board, so let's see how it works. So I've got my yellow, orange, red, and got black. So what I do, I'm going to pour the black on the top. So here is my black, and I will spread it. I kept a little bit thicker the paint, as this wooden plank is not that thick, so I don't want too much watery base on it. I don't want too much fluid. So here is my black done. I'll spread a little bit more. Now the next one, I'm going for red one. So that's the red. Just need to fill those gaps. Okay, and it will be spread here. Now the orange, not putting too much orange. It's quite thick as well, but you have to fill the gap. Okay, didn't want to put too much, but never mind. All right, so the last one, yellow, which I'm going to fill up whatever leftover space here. It's quite a lot of paint there, just need to spread it. Just to know, I haven't put any silicone at all. Need a little bit here. good. Okay, so this one is done. It looks alright, but I have to use my torch gun to get rid of the bubbles. If I have, I can see it's quite a lot there anyway. Let me get one tissue. So yeah, that looks quite phlegmy already. So I have got my gun. I'm going to pop all the bubbles. Okay, that's done. The next step, where's the stick gone? I can be so unorganized sometimes. Never mind, can't find that one. So what I'll do, I'm using this chopstick, the wooden stick. What I do, if you keep watching, I'm just going to get my black just down up here, up till there. Then I'm going back again and get the black down that way. Then again, then again. Now yellow, I'm going to get up to the black. I'm using the same black one there. So you see the flame. One more here, one more there, and so I think that is okay. So I'll get some down this way. And going up. So just wipe off this paint from there. I will do the black border or something around it anyway. So I don't need any paint here. So just get a little bit down that way. actually dip in and just do that way. Yeah. If you made a mistake, still you can correct it while you're doing this one. So don't worry about messing it up. We all learn from somewhere. So this is how it looks. I will update the video once it's dry as well. That looks actually pretty cool. One more time and then we'll be done. That's it. So you can have a close look to this and tell me how it is. It's very hard to see. Let me do it this way. Okay. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you soon again. Bye bye.